This game is the baseball review game, and although this was created for a geometry class, and I did not create this, I downloaded it from Promethean Planet. I did not create this game. It does use geometry questions, which you can change, and I'll show you how to edit those questions so that they will match your content. This is page 1. There are 26 pages, so this is a pretty extensive flip chart, but all it is using actions that we've already learned about, so you'll see how simple it is to create a game like this. So pretty soon you'll be creating your own games by using the actions that we learned about last week. So I'm going to go on to page 2. Now, you can pull this out to reveal the rules, but we'll just play this game together so that you can actually see how it's played. So, decide who goes first. You can do that by rolling the dice or however that you would like to choose. So I'm going to say that the red team's going first. I'm going to bring a player up to bat. Then I'm going to roll the dice. I've rolled an 11. So if I look up here at my chart, a 3 or an 11 equals a triple. So now I'm going to bring the ball forward, and then I'm going to click once on the baseball, and here is the question that I have to answer. Now again, this is a math question, but you can delete all of this. You can edit the text, and you can type a question. And just delete all of this other stuff that you don't need. So you would type your question here. Then you move the baseball to reveal the answer. And again, you probably want to edit that answer. So you just backspace and edit your answer. And the way I edited that, one more time, is I just click on the text. I select the ABC icon. You'll see my cursor appears, and I can backspace and delete what's there and enter what I want to be there. So I'm going to click off of that. So there's my answer, and I'm going to cover it back up with the baseball. So now I have my question here, and then when I click on the baseball, there's my answer. I can click on it again to make the baseball reappear. Every page that has a question also has an action associated with this button that says back to game board. So I'm going to go back to the game board. If I answered that question correctly, remember I rolled an 11, which is a triple, so my player will go to third base, and my next teammate will come up to bat. So we'll roll the dice again. A 2 is a home run if I answer the question. So now I pick up another baseball, and the reason we move them down here is just so you don't pick the same question again. So I'm going to click on the baseball. Again, before we play this game, I would have gone and edited my text by clicking on the text, choosing the ABC icon, deleting, and adding my question. I would remove this, edit my answer, cover it back up, and then that's how you reveal the answer. Go back to the game board. So if I miss that question, then that would be an out for my team. If I got it correct, then I do get the home run, which means this runner would come in. So here's where I keep score. And then this runner would go around the bases, which would give me another run. So now the red team has 2 runs. And there's the batters that I've had so far. So then another batter would come up, roll the dice. 7 is a fly out. So now I'm assuming, and you can play this however you want to, I'm assuming that you don't even answer a question. If that's the case, you don't even get a question. You just count that as an out, and then the next batter comes up. So again, you don't have to play exactly by the rules that someone else made up. You can make up your own rules and play the game that way. I'm going to go up here to View and Browsers, and if I click on this first icon here, it's already clicked on. You can see all of the pages that are associated with this flip chart. So every page has a question and then an answer that is hidden by the baseball. It's a very extensive flip chart. But that's how you play the baseball review game, and I think your kids would enjoy that, and I think you could play this game no matter what grade level. If you have any questions, just email me and let me know.